Hello USAW athletes. Just want to show you guys how your BrainCo products are going to work. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing. In the box you have wipes to pretty much wipe down the headband. Additionally, these are probably the most important things in how the wearable works. So we're going to open this box up. In this box you have 6 hydrogels. The hydrogels is pretty much what makes everything work. It's what takes your EEG signal and makes the headband process everything. So here's the headband. There are 3 spots to put the hydrogels. We're going to remove the hydrogels from the box. Take a little pill pop. So we got 1, 2, and 3. The hydrogels have to be changed out probably roughly every 6 months. There's a little close-up of them. It's like a little gel. It's a semi-wet conductor. We're going to pop them in pretty much as like a button. Doesn't matter which way it goes, it will work no matter what way. Popped in. And the last one here is popping in. There we go. That's really a bit about it. This is how you insert your hydrogels into your wearable Focus One headband. So here's a quick overview of the Focus One. As you can see, the hydrogels are in place. Additionally, here's your USB connector to charge the device. Here's how it expands to adjust to an individual's head. And then here is your power button. So we're going to hold down the power button to see all 5 lights turning on. We now know the headband is on, as you can see from the front light and the side. And to place it on your head, we're going to place on our head the following. So I'm going to adjust it for my head, make it a little bit bigger. From here, I want it to touch the forehead and also touch along the side. I will say hair will be an issue. It will interfere with the signal. So if you could tie your hair back or comb it back, that's so you have the best effect. And this is how you use your Focus One headband.